In his battle with Garou, Saitama destroys a planet with his sneeze. He confronts Garou and disregards his speech. Despite Garou's attacks, Saitama easily counters them. They take the fight to the atmosphere, where Saitama effortlessly evades Garou's attacks. However, Garou evolves and utilizes extreme Fajin, delivering a crushing blow to Saitama. Garou further awakens his cosmic form, and they are transported to one of Jupiter's moons to prevent the destruction of Earth. Unleashing his ultimate move, the Serious Sneeze, Saitama unintentionally obliterates the moon's surface, triggering a chain reaction that destroys Jupiter. Please note that the destruction of a planet with a sneeze is an exaggeration of Saitama's power.